Hey, my name is Brandon Ruiz. I am an herbalist, small business owner, and the founder of the Charlotte Herbal Accessibility Project here in Charlotte, North Carolina. The Charlotte Herbal Accessibility Project is a soon-to-be nonprofit based here in Charlotte, North Carolina. The project aims to provide easy and affordable access to herbalism and holistic healthcare to communities around the city, specifically focused on marginalized and low-income communities. We're providing this education by teaching about herbalism in its entirety.
My dream for years has been to start a free mobile herb clinic. After not much response from local nonprofits, I went and bought this camper with money that I had saved up. Just this past winter, I went and set up free mobile herb clinics at the homeless warming centers in Ann Arbor. Homeless shelters usually kick people out during the day in the winter and they have nowhere to go. This really motivated me to get this camper done before this upcoming winter.
This 2018 Herbal Medics Clinical Week in Navajo Nation, we will be giving away hundreds of gallons of glycerites, of tinctures, of salves, and probably seeing 60 to 80 or upwards thereof of people coming into our clinics, various local clinics around the entire area. It's a huge area. Navajo Nation is gigantic. So we'll have morning, afternoon, evening clinics, and we'll even have a mobile team to be able to go out and get to people who are unable, don't have transportation to be able to reach us.
I created Laverne Collections to host and engage in a larger conversation about female hormonal health, foraged foods, and connection between communities and the land. I am so excited to share that this empty lot in North Lawndale is undergoing transformation to become home to Lemon Balm, a healing permaculture garden. North Lawndale is considered a food desert, so having access to hands-on education and nourishing perennial foods can help in the deep healing of our urban communities.